subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook for You presents strawberry clusters. Dice up some strawberries. Instead, you can use mangoes or any type of berries or any type of seasonal fruits. Remove in a bowl. Add 100 grams of any flavored or plain yogurt. Combine yogurt and strawberries together. Scoop out clusters on parchment paper as shown. Pop them into the freezer until frozen. Take any chocolates of your choice. I'm using dark, you can also use milk chocolate. Break the chocolate. Remove in a bowl. Pop them in a microwave for 1 minute until it's nicely melted. Stir well. If you're using milk chocolate, so add dash of coconut oil or butter to thinner the consistency because milk chocolate is more thicker than dark. Chocolate melted completely. Remove the frozen clusters from parchment paper. Dunk frozen clusters in melted chocolate. Coat well. Again, place on similar parchment paper. Do this for all. Dip frozen clusters in melted chocolate. Coat well. Garnish with any sprinkles or drizzle chocolate or sprinkle salt flakes when it's not set. Repeat the same procedure for all. Make sure to work fast because it's frozen, your chocolate gets hardens otherwise. If it happens, reheat the chocolate. It'll set on room temperature too because of frozen yogurt. Or you can put it back in the freezer for 20 more minutes to set. Our strawberry chocolate clusters are set beautifully on room temperature. Look how divine it's turned out. Let me show you the results. We'll definitely make more. Do try this healthy frozen strawberry yogurt chocolate recipe and share your valuable feedback in the comment section. Please like and share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.